Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how do I get him out of here? This is gonna be wild. I hope he doesn't wind up in my smoothie. Oh, I'm trying to get the radiation. Somebody help. There's a lizard in my car. That's what I get for dumpster diving. Oh, I wish there was a man around to help me. I know that sounds awful. Oh, okay, let me get on this thing. Hold on. Okay, it is a wonderful day in paradise, and I'm spreading out some leaves from all the dumpster diving I've done. You can see I'm having some people over for a holiday dinner, and I'm trying to make my food forest look like it's a food forest. But I wanted to also capture this. It's the Molokai, or they're purple sweet potatoes, and look at the huge root. Can you see that? Look at this thing. I've got two of them, one over there by the house, but I'm gonna cover it up. I'm not really saving any of the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna quit doing all the exotic and focus on what I know can grow and what I love to eat. So next year is gonna be different. I'm gonna focus on fewer crops. But if you come back, I'll have a sweet potato.